how to turn off or on message requests notifications on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click Hub and go to the storylines, and now click settings, then click notifications and scroll all the way down, and here we'll find the message requests. Here is it. Now just click on it, and if you want to turn it off, just disable it and you can enable it. And that's it. I hope that can help you. Now just go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.